Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to restore WhatsApp backup from Google Drive. So, first of all guys, I will need you first to go to your App Store and then of course get WhatsApp. So here we go, WhatsApp, and click here to get it from there. So make sure that it is not web, that's WhatsApp. So here we go, and here it is. So install it, update it, and you will be good to go. The second thing guys is to make sure that you have backup in your WhatsApp. How to know that? Just go to the application. So here we go to WhatsApp, then settings, and of course you will have to go to your backup from chats over here, and here go and see if there is any chat backup. So as you can see, here it is now. I don't have really a backup. So, and since I'm using iPhone, it is not going to my Google Drive, but if you are using Google like Android mobiles, it will go directly to your Google Drive on your Android mobile. So you don't really have to be afraid of that. So, and the second thing, when you are ensured that you have your backup in your Google Drive, what you'll have to do is simply go ahead and open your WhatsApp again from another mobile and then easily click on export or restore your data from here. So export chat, and that's it. All you need to do is click in here, so at this button in here, and then in your Android mobile they will give you like options from Google Drive or some like APK file. So you will choose the Android or the Google Drive, and after that you just have to choose the location where your data is or your backup is, and just like that you just have to give it a couple minutes until it fully loads all the data inside of your WhatsApp, and you will have everything restored and ready to go. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you guys for watching.